Okay, we now move on to speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a thing you bought and you are happy about it. Anything, whatever, mobile or wristwatch or anything like that. You should say explain why you bought it, reason. Why you selected this product, again reason. And from where you purchased it, location. And explain why you are so happy about it, again reason for your happiness. So this topic is in the past tense, you will speak all in past. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
I have bought many things in my life, but one product made me really glad. It's my mobile phone. It's very essential for life. I purchased it from Emporium Mall on Eid. Its color is black and it's look very attractive. The battery timing is about 2 days, and my mobile phone is the Samsung company. I feel very happy to purchase it because it's vital for life, and we talk to the loved ones
Okay, just carry on. Alright, that's fine. You stopped at 56 seconds, so just try to come up with more ideas. Another thing, you are not maintaining any eye contact, you're looking here and there and all that. So although there is no marking criteria, but still it is a good sign if you look into the eyes of the examiner. Then you took several pauses, and I noticed one thing, your sentences were not being connected. Try to connect your ideas by using moreover, furthermore, additionally. By this I mean, what I want to add here. So you can just use that. And then I found some grammatical mistakes, so you should overcome all these things. Now let's move on to speaking part 3. Did you tell anyone after buying this mobile?
Yes, I told for my family and my friends.
Now this is a very short answer, even not acceptable in part 1. You need to explain more. Yes, I told my family and my friends, and they were also very excited. I showed this mobile to my mother and she was so happy to see that, and my friend said we need a party, so then I gave a good party to my friends. So yes, I told everyone, something like that. So you should speak more. Okay? Yeah, try to elaborate. What are your thoughts about the trend that people buy new things instead of repairing the old ones? The question is, what are your thoughts about the trend that people buy new things instead of repairing the old ones?
People buy new things is a very bad impact of life because they were
okay. So in part 3 you should focus the answers. At present your answers are not satisfactory in part 3, and in part 2 the mistakes which I mentioned. Overall, the way you spoke, this type of speaking will bring you around 4.5. okay, so you have to be careful, and you know this is just due to your performance in part 3. Otherwise it could be, if you would have performed at least reasonably well with 2 to 3 sentences, it could be 5 or 5.5. So now you should focus speaking part 1, part 2, but mainly speaking part 3. Okay? Alright, thank you.